Hi everyone and welcome to Germany for Student channel. If you are studying CBSE curriculum or you have studied CBSE curriculum and you are interested in applying for English taught tuition free bachelor programs in German public universities, then this video is right for you. In this video, we will go through the complete process step by step so that you can actually understand the process by yourself and then do it yourself without any external help. If you still feel you are not comfortable doing it, you can always avail the professional and reliable services of Germany for Students. In this video, we are going to cover what are different options for CBSE students to apply for bachelor degree in Germany. What are the requirements for every option? Do I need to learn German language in order to study bachelor degree programs in German public universities? Can I study English taught programs without paying any tuition fee in German public universities? So let's start with the options for CBSE curriculum students who intend to study bachelor degree programs in Germany. Before we jump into the options, we need to understand why these options exist and or all these options are for all students from every curriculum or it is specific to CBSE students. German universities evaluate different curriculums of different countries individually and set the requirements for every country. If the curriculum of one country does not correspond to the curriculum of German schooling, then the student of this country is provided with different options so that the gap between the studied curriculum and the German school curriculum is filled. As with the every curriculum, CBSE students are given three different options so that they can fill the gap between the CBSE curriculum and the German school curriculum. So what are these three options? The first option is to study 1 year of bachelor degree in your home country or anywhere in the world where you are currently living. Now let's understand what does this mean. Every option is independent from each other and has certain requirements. So if you choose the option number 1, you only need to fulfill the requirements set for option number 1. So what is option number 1? To complete 1 year of bachelor degree in your home country or wherever you are living. What does this mean? Let's break it down into different steps. Step number 1 is to complete the 12th grade CBSE curriculum with a minimum percentage of 50%. If your 12th grade percentage is less than 50%, it's not possible to study in Germany in any case. But fulfilling this minimum requirement of 50% does not guarantee any admission. Step number 2. After the completion of your 12th grade CBSE curriculum, you need to take admission in a bachelor degree in any recognized university in your country. It's important that the university you select is recognized. You take admission in the same field that you intend to study in Germany. And also that you study the complete 1 year curriculum, which means that if the university is offering 10 subjects in the first 2 semesters, you must pass all 10 subjects so that you can qualify for admission in bachelor degree in Germany. After you have completed your 1 year of bachelor degree, you also need to understand what are the language requirements of the course that you are applying for. If the course is taught in English language, then you need to fulfill the English language requirement with either IELTS or TOEFL. Once you have completed 1 year of bachelor degree and you have fulfilled the language requirements, you are ready to apply for admission in bachelor degree, and in this case, you do not need to learn any German language if the course you are applying for is available in English language. Now, German language plays a very important role in securing student jobs as well as your full-time job after the completion of your studies. In order to learn German language, you can follow the free German language courses available on my YouTube channel, Germany for Students, so that you can have a strong base of German language and you can acquire further proficiency through free of cost German language courses which are being offered at almost every German public university, where you do not need to pay any tuition fee and you do not need to invest separate time. Rather, you learn German language parallel with your bachelor degree. Now let's jump into the second option. The second option is to do a Studienkolleg or foundation course. So what steps are involved here? First step is to complete your 12th grade of CBSE curriculum and then learn German language until B1 level or B2 level. One German language level usually takes 1.5 months to 2 months. So on average, you must calculate around 7 to 8 months of intensive learning of German language. The levels of German language include A1, A2, B1 and B2. Once you have learned German language until B2 level, you need to take either TELC or Goethe Institute exam of B2 level because you must have a German language certificate of B2 level when you intend to apply for foundation course. Now this foundation course is conducted completely in German language, and that is the reason why you first have to learn German language until B2 level, so that you can understand the content that is being taught during the Studienkolleg. So after you have applied for admission in bachelor degree, the university will send you an invitation letter to take part in the entrance exam of foundation course. Every Studienkolleg offered by German public universities have an entrance exam, and you must pass and perform very well in the entrance exam so that you can secure a place in the Studienkolleg. Once you have passed the entrance exam of foundation course, you will start participating in the foundation course and it will end up with an FSP exam. You have to really perform well in FSP exam so that you can secure admission in bachelor degree. With this FSP certificate, you can either start your bachelor degree in the same university where you have completed the foundation course, or you can use this certificate to apply for any other course that you might be interested in. After the completion of foundation course or Studienkolleg, it's up to you to study bachelor degree program in English language or German language. If you intend to start a bachelor degree in English language, you additionally have to take IELTS or TOEFL exam and fulfill the English language requirements of the program. The third option for CBSE curriculum students is to pass the main and advanced section of joint entrance exam of IIT. If we break it further, if you are studying CBSE curriculum, then take part in the main and advanced section of joint entrance exam of IIT. If you pass both sections, you do not need 1 year of bachelor degree and you do not need to study foundation course. There is no specific percentage requirement in the main and advanced section of JEE. You just have to pass both main and advanced sections. If you choose this option and the course you are going to apply for is in English language, you only need to take exam of TOEFL or IELTS to fulfill the English language requirements, and you are good to start with bachelor degree in Germany without 1 year of foundation course or without 1 year of bachelor degree. Now let's talk about the deadlines and intakes. Every German public university has two intakes, the winter intake and summer intake. Winter intake or winter semester starts in September or October every year, and summer semester starts in March or April every year. The deadlines for every university are different. The winter semester that starts in September or October every year, the deadlines usually starts from March and they go until 15th of July. After 15th of July, it's not possible to apply for any bachelor degree program. Summer semester starts in March or April every year, and the deadline starts in the month of November of previous year and they go until 15th of January. So you really have to check which university and which course you are going to apply and what are the requirements and what are the deadlines. If you need any professional support in order to apply for your bachelor degree in Germany through any of the three options that we have discussed today, you can avail the professional services of Germany for Students, where we will take care of all the process, selection of university and selection of course, preparation of your application documents, complete application of up to 5 different universities or courses. We take over complete correspondence with the German public universities. Germany for Students help you set up your block bank account, which is a mandatory requirement for your German student visa. We also provide professional services for German student visa, starting from preparation of all your German student visa application documents to the briefing of student visa interview. We take care of your university enrollment process, your health insurance, as well as your accommodation. If you want to have a smooth process for joining your dream university in Germany, then Germany for Students is just a click away from you.